Kick-Ass. Oh, wait, what? No, hold on, just go change it back. That's better. I am back with my real face. Okay, that's creepy. Anyways, I was digging through my closet. Found some old drawings when I was younger. Let's look at them. So, here we have this simple picture of Batman and Iron Man, because that's a thing, I guess. Total crossovers right here. I was even a Marvel and DC fan when I was in preschool. Okay, next picture. This is a masterpiece. Now this is something to just treasure. Oh yeah, it's got this weird face on the back of it. That's probably something. Anyways, we see this purple stuff. Now to me, that looks like the female Dr. Octopus or something like that. I don't know. Then there's Batman right here. This guy comes in from like the Fantastic Four or something. And we got, is this Pikachu or Nemo or what? I don't know. We got this thing. This is Pikachu, for some reason, with 5 legs. Okay, that's somewhat not weird at all. Is it upside down? Or? Okay, that's weird. Some rough draft or something like that, I don't know. Then there's this picture of this guy from Captain Underpants. I can't even remember his name now. I didn't draw this, someone else did. What else we got here, Ooh. This one. Oh boy. Where do I begin with this one? I legitimately don't know what this is. It could be like, I know that's Indiana Jones. I always like Indiana Jones. It's like the guy from Star Wars or something? What? That's weird. Maybe I do this picture with my hand. Not demonic at all or anything. Next picture. We have... Oh, look, another one with Indiana Jones. Is this Steve? Did I foretell Minecraft? Was he on his sword? Also, Indiana Jones still. I don't know who that's supposed to be. Did this picture from like Captain Underpants or something. I was obsessed with that book. Yeah, this is one of them. Alright, what else we got in here? Oh boy. Is that a... what? Oh, it's got something on the back of it. As you can tell, this is obviously Princess Leia. With, is this a battle droid? Is this General Grievous? I don't know. And on the back, oh boy. Right here is the evil Blue Emperor. With, who is this? I don't know who that is. Is that Mace Windu? And there's Boba Fett. Boba Fett was like my favorite guy from Star Wars. I don't know who that is. And there's like this turn over here. I don't know. Man. Oh boy, what's this? Oh man. Oh. Back in pre-K, me and my friends were like, what was it, kindergarten? My friend Sordor was obsessed with Wally, and then he drew this. So, you know, it wasn't Willy. It was actually Wally, not... Was it Wooly? Wooly, or something like that. And here are some more pictures of Iron Man. So this is obviously Iron Man right here. I Iron Man, and Iron Man. Fun fact about superheroes and comics and stuff. I actually had a dream where I could speak Tamaranian. It was weird. I said it last night. If you didn't know what Tamaranian is, it's the language that the Starfire speaks. Well, we got this thing I did not draw. Someone drew it. No. Ooh, this looks like a good one. I legitimately don't remember drawing this. Never ever. Did I even draw this? Okay, it doesn't look like my drawings, but I think I drew this at some point. There was this. Then there's a slightly more demonic version of this. It's kind of creepy, I guess. He's like, his skull's bleeding or something like that. Is he a skeleton? Is he like Red Skull? What is this? I don't even know where to begin with this one. What is this? What is this abomination I drew? Oh man. What else we got in here? Ooh. Is that who I... Star Wars. Also, is that who I think it is? It was weird, but I think this is like the robot from My Life as a Teenage Robot. Yeah, I used to watch a lot of Nicktoons when I was a kid. Pretty younger kid, I guess. This is Boba Fett, if you can't tell. Then there's this guy? I'm pretty sure you guys remember this guy from Star Wars, yeah. What else we got in here? More Star Wars stuff. Oh boy. American flag. That's backwards. At least from my perspective, it's backwards, but okay. We got some spaceships, and what this looks like to be a battle droid there. And who is that? Anakin? I believe that's a super battle droid right there. What else we got here? Ooh, that's some. Alright, more stuff. Oh boy. Boba Fett somehow made his way into the Avengers. Something like that. Boba Fett's right here. Iron Man, the Hulk, that guy, and whoever that is. That's a person. How could I forget? My very own Pokemon. Yeah. Oh boy. Darth Vader. Ooh, this is what Sordor do. This is like pre-K, so that was pretty good. Like right when the Clone Wars just started. And there was this. What's a kindergarten? There was either one. This Pokemon picture. Totally legit. Oh yeah, there's stuff on the back of it, I guess. Rip. Boy, did I have a messed up mind in the first grade or second grade. Yeah, this is second grade. Another one from Sordor. Jabba the Hutt. Another thing. Ooh, it's camouflage. And it's also wall. Can you believe it? Wally. More Wally. Can you believe it? It's like a lost ark or whatever in here. Oh boy, so many things. Now this one I'm proud of. Yeah. Right here you are seeing Bloodshot Yoda. Oh yeah. And there's Boba Fett. There's Boba Fett. Oh, look at this. A thing. Is this a legendary picture? This can't be. This would want me. What? There's a guy surfing. He's surfing. Yeah. Oh, dang, that's more Wally. More Wally. Oh boy. What do we have here? I don't know what this is supposed to be. Do you? Nothing at all, yeah. More Star Wars. I remember that guy so much. This is a book. Yeah. Oh, this brings back so many memories. Where was mine? Sydney, Nicholas, Taryn, Madeline, George. This is first grade. Dylan. If you give Dylan a hot dog with mustard, he will want mustard to go with it. Okay. And a cutout of a Power Ranger. Because that was the thing back in the day. Back in my earlier days. Also, it's snowing. It is snowing. Can you believe it? Goodbye.